Hey everybody, back again with some more interesting products. This time for some stuff around the house, condo, or the garage, whatever suits you. So, everybody has this, or the dad, or I don't know. The infamous toolbox, where random things just go to die. So, time to cut back on that. For the necessities. Very convenient bag with the zippers and a spot for everything. So, wrenches, spot, knives, spot, testers has a spot, little drill bits, tape, everything has its own little place. And you can eliminate the junk drawer where things just go and they have their own little spot. Works easily. You just place everything in, zip it up, and there's a lot of room actually. The looks are really deceiving on this one. I like it too. You're not going to spill anything. You're not going to ding up the walls while you're moving stuff around. And the wife will probably stop nagging you for having too much stuff. Folds. And clips closed. Ladies, this is also great for you. And ready to go. Take it anywhere. Throw it in the car. It's convenient. Does the job.